Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. It's a great day, kind of a sad day because this is the last day we have at the hotel. We're actually getting our bags stored at the moment. And yeah, we're gonna grab some lunch and then I'm going to probably chill with them a little bit and then try to head back up to Kingston. But until then, Mommy, you're calling me and I'm right here.
I forgot that down.
That's so weird. My mom is like right beside me, she's calling me. Anyway, yeah, that's the deal right now. What can I say? Like overall, before I even forget, what I think about the hotel, I give this hotel like an 8.5. Like the vibe was good, the staff were like really helpful. Had a chat with a couple of them. It's a really cool vibe. The things that I never liked were the internet sucks. I think that might be a typical thing of internet at hotels, but the internet was really crappy in the rooms. Like, yeah, I never liked that about it. And what else? Yeah, that was pretty much the biggest issue. But apart from that, it was cool. If you have money, I think it's like $12 per day to do your internet situation or whatever the case is. But apart from that, like really great hotel. The food was pretty good. I give the food an 8.5 or so. Oh, before I forget to ask, how was last night? What you guys did? The whole club thing and.
It was alright. There wasn't many people in there. A little were dancing.
A little what?
A little bit more. There weren't many people dancing.
Oh, not so much dancing. So if you were to like rate the club scene here, how much would you give it?
That was not a club.
It wasn't a club?
It was like, it would be more like a lime.
A lime?
Let's play music and get outside.
I feel you. So I pretty much got stuck here waiting around with the bags because of that play acting that I did, you know, with the whole idea of, you know, getting robbed at a hotel figuratively, rather the experience. But my cousin was like, yo, she wanna leave her bags by themselves. And that's actually a good point because most times when you come to resorts and stuff like that, you are very relaxed. You're not thinking about like the worst at all because you're just having a good time and you see the best in everyone in every situation. So that's maybe something to actually consider when you come to hotels. Just be careful. You know, anything can happen. Maybe you're not even looking and someone picks up your phone. You never really know. So yeah, because of this knowledge, I'm stuck watching the bags while they get food and I'll go get food. Okay, finally they're back. So my security guard duty is over, but that looks so good. What do you guys got? Fried chicken, wedges, and salad. My thing.
Don't like eating it.
Okay, so my dish is here. Yo, let me say the hospitality in there is really good. Like they fill up everything really fast, and the guys are really cool. How's your food? It's good. Yeah.
Fried chicken here, I marinate for about 2 minutes.
Yeah, trust me, cause like when you go there, the fried chicken, this is the last piece that I got. I was waiting for the others to come out, but I'll just continue eating now. It's really good. Look really nice. Yo, the rice and peas look like a real Jamaican thing. Like it's shelly, everything. Like yo, thing turn up. I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna tell you how it is. But yeah, food look nice, smell good, everything. Yeah, man. Hilton, I go on with things. Second plate, yo. Ham is really good, mac and cheese is nice, chicken is nice, yeah. Food is pretty good. And yo, the people here are helpful. Like, you not really ask about it, nothing, just do, you see me? Alright, so you guys know like to keep it real as possible for you guys to like have like first-hand experience before you can get here. One of the downfall that I never liked, which all of us never liked, is the flies. Like there are flies here. Yeah. There are flies here, so if you're that kind of person who's going to be like, yo, whatever, yeah, that might be a slight problem. I don't know what's causing that, but yeah. For me personally, it was like, whatever, because, yeah. The next cool thing that I saw is that there's a lot of Jamaican families here, which is really cool. So if you are from, I don't know, from the US, whatever the case is, and you want to have a chance to still interact with locals, then you have that opportunity. But yeah. I guess that's testament that this is a really good hotel. The vibe here is just good, the food is good, and yeah, I would come back here again. And my mom said she'd go to another experience, but like yeah, it's worth coming back here.
Not home. Like even with the ants, just at time of the year when them just come out in.
My mom just asked the waitress like the hardest question ever. She asked the waitress like, yo, what's contributing to the flies? The poor girl, she was like, yo, you don't know. But yeah, usually insects and stuff like that definitely do have a time of year where they breed up more based on temperature and stuff. But I think based on what they could do to it from a restaurant point of view, like they have normally like fly lights. I don't know if you guys know like the insect bug lights that they can put into specific places like you know, in the roofing areas, in the kitchen or whatever, and the flies get attracted to it and kill it. So that shouldn't be a big problem. So yeah, it shouldn't be this much, because let me tell you, like it's not like it's just a one fly on the table. It's like probably like 4 or 5. It's a whole family. Okay, so we just got to the club area that I spoke about last night. It's more like a lime kind of thing. You guys can see tables, lots of tables, which is cool. Chairs over there for people to sit down, and of course pool tables. So if you're into pool, that's going to be there for you to play and yeah, have a good time. So that's cool. So we're getting ready to leave pretty soon. I can't believe that we're just finding this little thing here, couch outdoor thing. It's so dope. Alright, mommy over there, so I go and easy back. Like it's like a couples thing, like it's big. It's just so great. But yeah, the bar is close over there, but of course I can't drink because I'm a bit driving soon. Alrighty, so this pretty much is gonna bring us to the end of this video here. Yo, Hilton, it has been real. Of course, it's not a perfect place, but yo, it's as close to perfect as it can get. The vibe here was really great. It was a really great and relaxing time. That's one thing that's gonna always be a plus about being in a hotel, especially when it's all inclusive. So I'm here picking up my mom, my cousin, and my sister so we can pack the trunks up and stuff and then get ready to leave. Yo, I have some other videos that are there. So there's about 4 other videos before this, so if you want to catch more about the whole experience, the restaurants and everything, definitely check those out. Remember to drop a like on the video if you really appreciate the video and you want me to be doing more videos like these on hotels. I'll definitely do them for you guys once you get the likes up. I hope with this video we can get it to 500 likes. I think we can do it. But anyway guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.